I'm Stacy, Canix CEO, and in this video, I'm going to go over subtypes, brands, and accounting inventory types. These are all distinctions that you can use to organize your items. So if you don't know what an item is, check out one of our other videos. But an item is basically the most specific unit of inventory that you can designate in your Canix account. And a subtype is a more general grouping of that inventory. So we can see in here in our active items, we've got A buds, blue dream, A buds, orange dream, A buds, strawberry cough. So a good subtype for us to put in our inventory might be A buds, B buds. Blue dream flower isn't actually a good subtype to put in here. Making subtypes are really easy. You say create subtype, and let's say we want to do smalls. Item type, we're going to say buds, and weight unit, we'll put grams in here. Making sure that you have the correct item type in here and weight unit is very important, because you will only be able to assign subtypes to items that have the same item type as the subtype. We'll go ahead and create that. And now if we want to go to our active items and we want to assign some smalls, let's assign the A bud subtype. So we can click on our A buds in here. You can assign subtypes in bulk, so be aware of that. It's a big time saver. Assign subtypes, category A buds. We can update this in here, and you can see that we've got A buds in here. Awesome. Brand works really similarly. So if you want to assign brands to different items so that you could separate one brand's item from another one, you can do that in here. We can say create brand, and we might want to say wild or wanna. Whatever brands you're selling for, you are selling out of your own inventory, you can denote in here. Going back to active items, we can go through how to assign brands as well. Let's assign a brand to all these wild gummies. Assign brand, wild, update. Great. We've got brand in here as well. Okay. Last, we're going to talk about accounting inventory type. So accounting inventory type you denote on the item itself, and these are predefined. So unlike subtypes and brands that you will define yourself, accounting inventory types are given to you by Canix, and there are three options: raw materials, work in progress, and finished goods. When you are creating your items or updating your items, you can denote what accounting inventory type they should be. Finished goods are goods that you sell. Raw materials are inputs that you obtain from a vendor. And work in progress is goods that you make in your facility, but which you do not sell. Much like brands and subtypes, you are able to assign accounting inventory types in bulk. So let's say that we want to say all these A buds and B buds are WIP. We can say assign accounting inventory type in here, work in progress, and update this. Awesome. And we've got WIP updated now. Great. And that's how you can use subtypes and accounting inventory types in Canix.